everyone. I just wanted to fill you in on what's been quite a busy 24 hours at Emma outside. I've been making some fairy doors to drop around the village, because who doesn't like to find a fairy door there every now and then? I did my first rock painting. There we go. This is to go out for Bidford Rocks. I'm quite pleased with that. I also went out this morning litter picking, because what else do you do on your day off? But unfortunately my litter picker broke halfway through, irreparably snapped in half. Heartbroken. So no more litter picking for me for the foreseeable future. I've also been doing a bit of experimenting with eggs, because why wouldn't you? Look at that. I need to not drop this one because this one is actually raw. So this is the colour that it started, your standard brown egg. This is what I did to it. Would you believe I did this with a red cabbage? And I'm going to show you how right now. So I chopped a red cabbage into quarters. It was like a standard size one. And I chopped one of my quarters into smaller pieces and I put it into a saucepan, which is still steaming. And I boiled that for 30 minutes, or brought to a simmer for 30 minutes, just my red cabbage and my water. Then I gave it a good squirt of distilled vinegar. I'm not going to turn it around because it's got a name on it. Roughly 2 tablespoons full, okay? And then I put in my eggs. These eggs are a bit of an experiment because I have wrapped them in tights. And I've done this because, oh, that's really, really hot. I've put some leaves on them in the hope that the leaves will stop that particular bit from dying blue and stay brown, so it will have a pattern on it eventually. Now these have been simmering for about 15 minutes. Oh no, look, I've dyed myself again. I've got a bit of a thing with dyeing my skin, haven't I? Look at that, purple. Right, I'm going to put this down here a bit. There we go. So you can now see my hot pot full of red cabbage, which I'm going to pour through the sieve. Look at that amazing colour. Can you see how purple that is? Oh, whoopsie-doo. There we go. So all of that's gone in there. I've still got quite a lot of colour to my red cabbage. It's still very purple. It's a bit confusing, isn't it? Red cabbage, but it makes purple dye that makes everything blue. That's a lot to remember. So here's the other one. I put a little fern on that one. So I'm going to leave these in the dye probably for about 4 hours. Okay, because the longer you leave it in, the more intense your colour. And we do want them to be nice bright blue, don't we? That would be amazing. So red cabbage gives you a blue dye. If you want a yellow, you can use turmeric. Again, a couple of tablespoons of turmeric into your boiling water. Simmer it for 30 minutes. A couple of tablespoons full of vinegar. I don't know if it's got to be distilled or not. I didn't experiment with that. But maybe go for that if you've got it. If not, give it a go. So yeah, turmeric will make you yellow. Onion skins will give you like a yellowy brown, like a mustard colour. It's very nice. You can go pink with raw beetroot. I tried one with cooked beetroot and it didn't really do much. It was quite a light pink colour. There was definitely a change of colour, but it wasn't as cool as that. So this one, as I say, is red cabbage. You can get pink again with avocado skins and avocado stone. Who knew? Blueberries, that's a nice one. So yeah, there's lots of things to try out there to give you some natural coloured Easter eggs. Be careful because, as I've just shown, it's not taken. We're okay. It is dye, okay? So if you get it on your clothes, it might not come out. So be careful. But you can get some very, very cool eggs. And if this effect works with the plants and the tights, that will be really cool, won't it? So I'll post some pictures in a few hours when that's been sitting and it's nice and cool of what's actually happened with that. Okay? So there's something for you to try with the Easter holidays coming up. You can maybe experiment with the different colours. Turmeric, blueberries, red cabbage, avocado stones and skin. Did I say turmeric? I did say turmeric, didn't I? So give it a go. See what happens. Let me know. Don't get it on your stuff. Okay? Be careful. I don't want to be in trouble for this. It's supposed to be fun. Enjoy!